What's up, guys? This is a V6. I believe it's a 3.0. We're gonna see now on the label. This is the Amarok. This is a Volkswagen SUV. Now this is interesting for all you guys that are watching from the US. Now I have the key. I'm gonna lock the car and see it close up. Just gonna see what's the spec on this car. So it says here 224 horsepower diesel, AG 8-speed automatic transmission, and says about 100 kilometers, be like 60 miles. There's 8.18 liters. So, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's just see this car from the distance. That is a lot of ground clearance, as you can see. It does look good with this blue color and this chrome, I gotta say. Now it looks like it has xenon with LED lights, fog lights, parking sensors, back and forward. Has huge tires. Now I believe these are 20-inch rims, alloy, looking good. Now let's see the car from the inside. You get a nice leather. There's on the side leather with holes. It's pretty cold in this car because it's sitting outside. You do have, this part is movable. So the seats are electric. You get the lumbar support and everything. Now this is the inside. This is soft leather with some chrome here details. Robust, hard, strong plastic. You get the light switch here, chrome. I'm gonna show you in a minute later the lights. I'm gonna give the car contact. I'm gonna try sitting in here. Now this is quite convenient. Actually, you just don't slide. It's lifted, so you have to get up a bit. Now, I'm sorry for the sun, there's nothing I can do about it. You get a huge armrest here. Now it doesn't extend, it doesn't have levels, just comes up. You have a huge storage here for your tools or whatever you need. Now you have to be gentle with this. You have a manual parking brake. You have here 2 cup holders, ashtray. You can put a cigarette lighter or whatever here. You can put your keys over here. You do get, I did get like a pair of 3 keys. Now you get heated seats in this car. You get a light cigarette lighter or a 12 socket, another 12 socket here. This is obviously the some sort of DSG with a 8-speed. You get a huge space for your phone. You get standard AC Volkswagen. You get the touchscreen. It's not big as the new cars. This is probably maybe 6-inch, not 8, but doesn't look bad. I believe this is a CD. Now the sound is not bad. It's not I don't think this car has too many speakers, but you have here media options, phone, and voice commands, which I don't need. You have an SD card here, probably for the navigation. Okay, this is ejecting the CD. There's no CD inside. You get the maps. We're in Croatia. Yeah, we're in Croatia. If you don't know where Croatia is, I'm gonna zoom out all the way so you can see Europe. Yep, we're next to the Italy, as you can see, on the Adriatic coast. I'm gonna zoom back. So, back in Zagreb. Just gonna leave it like this. Okay, so we have here traffic. We don't have any traffic reports. For some reason Croatia is not paying these options. You get nice menu here. I'm gonna leave it on radio and turn it off. I dislike that this off thing doesn't stay on position. It spins so OCD frustrating. You get the hazards here. No indicators in side blinkers, which is disappointing. I don't know why all Volkswagen cars have that. You have parking sensors, airbag, light here, and auto off. Now let's see this glove compartment. It's not too big. I don't know. They could have made maybe slightly larger. Now up here, another 12-watt socket here. Plastic, could have put some rubber here. Now this is hard plastic. It appears this car is sold, so I'm not gonna be using it. Classic Volkswagen steering wheel, speedometer, phone, commands, in-screen options, and here you have volume buttons. That's pretty much it. Light switch, lights height, AC, vents. You do have huge windscreen so you can see around you. Now I'm gonna start the engine, just turn on the contact, guys. So it has no fuel. I'm not gonna turn it on because I said I wouldn't, so I don't want to abuse my trust from the dealer. As you can see, red lights here. I believe you get white lights here, and all the windows are electric. You can lock the rear windows. I just want to turn on the lights. So you can see the front lights. This is just a quick pass, guys. And you can see the back lights. Now you get the sport paddles. This is nice cup holder. This is nice material, so something doesn't make noise, although you could rattle if it hits here. You can adjust the steering wheel, obviously, up, inside, outside, up and down. On the top, I'm just gonna close the door because it's cold. You do get a mirror, no light. You have a glasses compartment. You have your light switches, one big light. You get the mirror on the top. This is the back view. It's pretty big, pretty spacious. Now the window is open. I don't believe I opened it. I'm not sure. I'm just gonna close it. Maybe if I did accidentally, because I don't want to be responsible for it. Now let's get in the back of this car. I'm just gonna leave this sold there. Just want to see the space on the back. Now, this is the space. I have a nice holder here. Now, I do have space, but I wouldn't want to sit here for a longer drive. There's a lot of space on the front, even on the back. It's not that bad. Actually, I would say the middle seat, you can actually fit a person here, but yeah, there's room for legs as well. See, a lot of space for a third person, and you can put his legs here because look at this. So cup holders, interesting. This is here so someone doesn't stamp on it. 12-watt socket charger. Could have made something here, AC or place for a phone. More room for bottles, and pretty good, not bad. Forgot to say, there is no this holder on the driver's side, but there is on the passenger's side. You can see it over there. Now let's check out the back of this car because it does look really, really roomy. I want to see that. Now Here's the, so this is the diesel and it has AdBlue. So close that. You get this nice logo here for motion, obviously. And now huge ground clearance. Now trying to get it into the frame. Huge ground clearance. You get a chrome bumper, parking sensors. Now this can go down. You have this holder, so you have clear space to put something all the way back. You have those hooks on the front and on the sides to hold your cargo, and there is a 12 socket charger here if you need to charge something on the back. I do believe there is some sort of cover for this, you know, but it's just maybe not here at the moment. I love the color. The blue color does look really good. And I'm gonna lock the car, and I like this spoiler, sort of, if we can call this a spoiler. And I like that it has the tinted windows in the back. No blinkers on the side mirrors, but this car looks pretty good. I like the looks of it, and I like the color. And check out the T-Roc, the new T-Roc review I made in a test drive. So, okay guys, I hope you like the quick view of the Amarok. It looks nice, but it's probably utility, more of a utility vehicle. SUV. This is a real SUV, sport utility vehicle, yeah. So see you in the next review, guys. Like the video, subscribe, and see you in the next video.